Inkantolo yomthethosisekelo ithe uJanusz Walush kumele akhishwe ejele zingakapheli izinsuku ezingama-20. Inkantolo ithi ithole ukuthi sasingekho emthethweni isinqumo esakhishwa ngungqongqoshe wezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo uRonald Lamula sokwenqabela uWalus ukuba akhishwe ngoshwele ngo-2020. uWalush wadubula wabulala owabe engunobhala jikelele we-SABC uChris Hani ngo-1993. Ukubulawa kwakhe kwasusa omkhulu umsindo kulelizwe.
The decision of the Minister of Justice and Correctional Services made in March 2020 rejecting the applicant's application for parole is reviewed and set aside.
Isinqumo sokukhishwa kukaWalus ngoshwele simshiye ethukuthele egane unwabu umfelokazi kaHani uLimpho.
This country is finished, where in this country a foreign white can come into South Africa, kill my husband. I don't know if you had, Zondo never referred to my family, to myself, to my children, and the trauma and the suffering.
Umnyango wezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo uthe uzokwenza njengokomyalelo wenkantolo.
In the minister's decision, he really did take into consideration the nature and the seriousness of the crime. And that's important because it did have a particular context to it.
Amalungu SABC athe ukusuka manje azonxusa umphakathi ukuthi ulwisane nalokhu.
Communists have been subjected to a full-blown attack by the courts of the land that must uphold our freedom of existence, because this clear murderer had never apologized to the Hani family. It's incorrect, this apology that they are talking about. And when a high court at this level makes such erroneous interpretation, just because they wrote a letter that we did not receive, it's just it boggles the mind, and I think it's disappointing.
Umnyango wezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo ubungakaphawuli ngeinhlelo zokukhishwa ngoshwele kukaWalus.